Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Part Question 32. The aid to trade which creates awareness in the minds of the public about the existence of a product is called A. Advertising, B. Communication, C. Insurance, D. Tourism, E. Warehousing. So the concept is aid to trade or aids to trade, and aids to trade are the commercial activities which facilitate trade. So in other words, they make trade possible. Now all the options given to us are aids to trade, but we are looking for the one which creates awareness in the minds of the public, or which can be defined as creation of awareness in the minds of the public about the existence of a product. So let's look at each of the options and see what they mean. Now, advertising refers to the process of creating awareness in the minds of the public about the existence of a product. Now option B, which is communication, refers to the means of sending and receiving information from one place to another. Now option C, which is insurance, is more or less simply described as a security made against loss. And option D, which is tourism, can be defined as an aid to trade that provides, so this is a description rather than a definition, that provides tourist trading opportunities at tourist centers. And lastly, option E, which is warehousing, is a process which ensures that goods produced are stored until they are needed. So from the definitions we have given, option A, which we described as advertising, is the process of creating awareness in the minds of the public about the existence of a product. So that is more or less the same with the description given to us in the question. So that is option A, advertising. So advertising is the answer to this question. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.